Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, December 13th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and post your attendance. Free Spot Friday will be this Friday in PE. Party Day also will be Friday, December 17th, School-wide Pajama Day. Class parties will be held after 1 o'clock. Grades, make sure that you are syncing your grades regularly. Grades books should also be printed regularly. At this point, you should have grades for every single course in Power School. You may not have a conduct grade or a work study grade yet, but for all of your courses, there should show some sort of grade in Power School. Today's late duty is Miss Stowe. Tomorrow, Peralta. Poor Miss Stowe has it twice this week. 15th, it says Miss Stowe. I will have to check that one more time. 16th, Miss Moore, and 17th, Miss Heichman. Apologies to Miss Stowe. We will check on that. Today's word of the day is tens. Tens would be a rod containing 10 units. So it's a set of ones, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90. So on our screen, we have 3 sets of 20. So we have 3 times 2 tens. We have 60 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 tens is our word of the day. Important dates. December 15th is Wednesday. We have PST for grades 3 through 5. December 17th is our deadline for partnership conferences. Also our holiday parties and our pajama day. Can't wait for that. Congratulations to our iReady stars of the week. Our K1 class with 100% of students with 30 minutes or more is Miss Waller's class. Second or third class is Miss Granger's class, and fourth, fifth class is Miss Wolf's class. Our top students in K1 is Paris Anderson with 12 lessons and Miss Clark. Second, third is Kamora Johnson with 12 lessons in Miss Washam, and fourth, fifth is Victoria Smith with 12 lessons in Miss Barnes' class. 12 lessons was the magical winner of the week, it looks like. Way to go to all you iReady stars. Keep up that good work. Also, we have a lot of AR superstars. These are over the past 2 weeks. Miss Bolton's class, Tylen Brooks, China Nolan. Miss Curd's class, Mayerly Vasquez, and Alan Whitney. Miss Duberg's class, Mackenzie Dixons, Aisha Law, Serena Pocase, Phoenix Pravito, and Ava Lee Weaver. Miss Granger's class, Kinley North. Miss Hogan's class, Malia Crenshaw, Kipton Curd, Taylor Travis, and Reagan Zine. Next, I think this would be for the last week, Miss Bolton's class, Morgan Breland, Miss Duberg's class, Aria Bird and Becky Mendez, Miss Granger's class, Melanie Robinson, Miss Heichman's class, Riley Petway, Miss Lee's class, Langston Allen, London Anderson, McKylan Breland, Callie Davidson, Kyler Ijobi, Carter Forrest, Breland Hobby, Roderick Johnson, Janae Julian, Paitlin Law, Montana Lucky, Colton Milam, Raven Moore, Sarah N., Jackson Pitts, Carly Pryor, Caitlin Robinson, Cashton Williams, and Drace Williams. Whew, lots of folks in Miss Lee's class. So many, in fact, that Miss Lee's class has 100% that has met their quarter goal. Woohoo! Way to go, Miss Lee's class. We still have more for Miss Peralta's class, Mariah Carlisle. For Miss Washam, Chevier Sanders. For Miss Weaver, Haley McDonald, Joari Vega, and Kyler Williams. Miss Smith will be coming around with the AR cart this morning. Remember, students, if you check out a book from the library, you need to take a test on it before you bring it back. That was why we're checking them out, to read them. Now, we have a whole bunch of positive office referrals. We will start out with 2 lovely ladies, Miss Montana Lucky from Miss Lee's class and Jaden Hackett from Miss Waller's class. Awesome job, girls. We have Malik Haifa and we have Isabella Ricks. Awesome job. We have Colin Mullins and Augie Pham from Miss Overstreet's class. Good job, fellas. We have Miss Sassy Riley White there, and we have Shar. They were both nominated by Miss Overstreet. Good job, ladies. Next, we have Isaiah Major, and we have Kamaya Dean, both doing great things in their classes. Next, we have Mr. Nathaniel Claycamp and Caden Hansberry, another awesome fellas doing some great things. Next up, we have Kennedy Arnold and Talon Vaughn. We have Mason Robinson and Kristen Brown. We have Tatiana Parker and Tata Shin. All right, we have a few more from kindergarten, Miss Guidry's class. We have Falestine, sweet little Falestine, and we have Antoinette Queller from Miss Wilder. Recommended her for being super great in the mornings. Next, we have our friend Nick Davis, and we also have sweet Miss Olivia Lewis from Miss Bolton's class. Awesome job. Next, we have Mayerly Vasquez and Aubrey Wells. Good job, lovely ladies. We have Destiny Brooks and Doriana Moore for positive office referrals. We have Aaliyah Fields and James Sewell. Good job to those two friends who got referred to the office. We have Astrid Maldonado and Bronson Davis, both from Miss Duberg's class, doing great things down there in first grade. And last but not least, we have sweet Miss Eden Johnson, who also got sent to the principal's office for being so fantastic. Those are all our positive office referrals. Whew, there are a lot of students doing great things at Kate Shepherd. That is fantastic. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous last Monday of the year, Shepherd Scholars.